AILE Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. So last week's performance was just phenomenal. I mean, I've seen a proper decrease in price of 32%. Yeah, it was not that good. What was good is like kind of the last couple of days, you know, which was specifically Friday when we zoomed up to 167%. And that's why my prediction is still going to look like this. I mean, for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands of dollars on course cement strips. Still, specifically with AILE, it's a bearish market. With that in mind, like, bro, because like we saw the weekly chart and performance, how we're still 32% down despite going up to 167%. If I see a double break like this is still a market that I think is going to continue to keep going down. Obviously, as long as there is a double break though, then I'm bearish. I mean, other than that, everything else is pure noise. So what happens if it starts to go up? Then obviously, like, one break doesn't mean a lot. I will need to see proper shift in order for me to count this as a bullish trend. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.